has been disappointment with certain of the reports that would want to label or conclude that this election was free and fair, when we actually feel that any tinctures of free and fair election are evidently absent. And this is why at this particular moment in time, I want to underscore that we have a very serious challenge in this country. We are facing a divided nation. We are facing a betrayed nation. We are facing a divided people. And we are also facing a brutalized people. And this is why I think it's important that in the context of the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission declaration of Mr. Mnangagwa as having won the 2018 presidential election yesterday is such a regrettable decision. And I must say that Mr. Mnangagwa did not win the election in this country. The election in this country was won by the MDC Alliance presidential candidate. And we won that election emphatically. We have our tally, which tally we are ready to give those who want to see the tally.